In this video, I'll guide you through how you can easily make your Instagram account private in 2026, step by step in the easiest way possible. Guys, first of all, open up your Instagram app on your Android or iPhone, whatever you have. Then tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. Then tap on those three lines on the top right to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. Once you're on this page, you would have to scroll down a bit and then tap on account privacy. After that, it will be toggled off. You would have to toggle it on and then tap on switch to private. Now you would have to keep one thing in mind, that you would have to review your followers, and because your followers would still be able to check your content, check your stories, posts, reels. So you have to review them once so you can remove or filter out the people that you don't want to see your content. So if this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on a new tutorial. Thanks for watching.